Kia has officially introduced the EV9 GT line SUV in Pakistan, marking a significant advancement in the country's electric vehicle market. This premium SUV is equipped with a robust 99.8 kWh lithium-ion battery, delivering an impressive driving range of up to 505 km on a single charge. The EV9 supports both 400 volts and 800 volts charging infrastructures, allowing for versatile charging options. Utilizing a DC fast charger, the battery can be replenished from 10% to 80% in approximately 24 minutes, while an AC normal charger achieves a full charge in about 9 hours and 45 minutes. Performance-wise, the EV9 GT line features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces a combined power output of 282.6 kilowatts and a torque of 700 Nm. This setup enables the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.3 seconds. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes, including Normal, Eco, Sport, My Drive, and Terrain mode, to tailor the driving experience to various conditions and preferences. The design of the EV9 GT line reflects Kia's commitment to modern aesthetics and functionality. The exterior boasts LED front lamps, daytime running lights DRLs, and rear combination lamps that enhance visibility and add to its contemporary appeal. Practical features such as fog lamps, a roof rack, and a smart power tailgate contribute to the vehicle's convenience. The SUV rides on stylish 21-inch black and gray two-tone alloy wheels, and it incorporates digital mirrors along with auto flush door handles for a seamless design. Inside, the EV9 GT line offers a luxurious cabin equipped with premium artificial leather seats that are both heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort in various climates. The front seats are power adjustable, allowing for personalized seating positions. Technological amenities include a 12-inch head-up display, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 14-speaker Meridian premium sound system, all designed to enhance the driving experience. Safety is a paramount focus for the EV9 GT line, which comes equipped with advanced features such as blind spot collision avoidance assist, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and a surround view monitor. These systems work in unison to provide comprehensive protection for both the driver and passengers. In the Pakistani market, the Kia EV9 GT line is priced at 43,200,000 Pakistani rupees. This pricing positions it as a premium offering within the electric SUV segment, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. The vehicle is currently available for purchase, providing Pakistani consumers with a high-end electric